Ganda ng tubig. We are on top of the Sisilex Bridge. So first time natin gagawin ito. I'm very excited. So hello mga ka-senior. We are finally here in Cebu at Solea Resort. And today it's a big day of exploring the islands. We'll be doing island hopping around Mactan and Cebu. So we'll be visiting the Gilutungan Island and the Onulusan Marine Sanctuary. We'll also be visiting the Cordoba Port, and we will be having a visit of the SMC side as well as we'll be having dinner. But what I'm very excited about is to finally tour Sisilex, one of the premier project of Petro Pacific here in Cebu, and we'll be exploring the Cebu Cordoba Bridge at night. So I'm very excited now. Join me as we explore Cebu with Metro Pacific Lakbay Pilipinas. Let's go! Morning Cebu! We are now in Mactan Island. We are at Solea Resort. So this is a nice view of Mactan Island in the morning. Later on, we'll be exploring some of the attraction of the islands. In the meantime, let's have breakfast here at Solea. So this is Solea. Let's arrive at Cordoba Port and we will be going to Gilutungan Island dito sa Cebu. I believe these are our boats. Yan, no? Ito yata sasakyan natin. Wow, ganda naman, ang laki. And we are going to Gilutungan Island. So, good morning Mactan Island. Today we'll be exploring Gilutungan Island and another marine sanctuary. So, join me as we explore the waters surrounding Mactan Island and Cebu. Let's go! We're here in Cordoba and we will be going to Gilutungan Island in Nalusungan Island, which are actually part of Olango Island, Olango group of islands. So I'm very excited to explore. So we'll be visiting 3 islands which belongs to the Olango group of islands, which are marine protected area as well as a bird sanctuary. We're not going to Olango, but it's actually Olango, but we'll be visiting the 2 smaller islands on the right side. We are now crossing Cebu Strait. This is a rich fishing ground between the islands of Cebu and Bohol. Nasa dulo natin is actually already Bohol Island, and this is actually Olango Island, but we'll be visiting the smaller islands near Olango, which is still part of the Marine Reserve of Olango. These 2 smaller islands. So yun na pupuntahan natin. Binaran, Bohol, going to Cebu.
Enjoy the tour sa Nalusungan Island.
Dan tubig. Nalusungan Island. I believe this is a marine sanctuary. Bubble ship. There's several activities here. Water activities. So let's see. I heard meron pang sandbar.
So this is actually, welcome to Nalusungan Island. So now we are here sa kanilang footbridge going to the main island itself. So here, that area right there is their marine sanctuary wherein we can do fish feeding and snorkeling. So you guys, if you wish to do it later, may ladder doon, pwede kayo doon
Alusuan. Alusuan. There's Sandbar with a nice view of Cebu City. Daming boat. Welcome to Mactan Island in Cordova, Cebu. Let's go! Family. Lechon! Nasaan naman Tomas?
May malalaking isda ba na pwede tayong huli?
Called spider shell, saang.
Yes.
Saan nahuhuli to? Dito sa lugar na to? Meron?
Meron sa Olango tsaka sa Hilutungan Island, sir.
Okay.
And then we also have supplier from Bohol. Yes.
Susubukan natin ang saang. Tingnan natin kung ano lasa.
Okay, go po.
So, dito yung saang. Parang dito lang yata meron ako nakita sa Cebu. Titingnan natin. Sarap po. Madamis-mamis siya. Thank you. Dami. This is the beach of Soleil, tingnan natin. Laki ng facilities nila. Mga inflatables. Inflatables. Pang team building. So dito yung mga wedding pwede dito. Okay. Okay, pwede dito. Gaano karaming taong kasya? 150 bucks.
pero most of the time, sir, every morning at saka afternoon, marami dito.
8 kilometers daw.
Opo. Especially doon mismo sa ano, yung sa Sisilex mismo.
Sisilex,
sa bungad ng Sisilex.
Okay.
Marami po doon.
ride already. Sissy Lex. Meron palang para sa pedestrian pwedeng maglakad, kaso may oras daw from 5 AM to 5 PM pwede. We are now climbing the famous bridge. Daan natin may ilaw na. With dinosaurs. Hello, dinosaur.
Welcome to Seaside.
Hello. SM Seaside at night. Diba ang ganda?
And then we have our dinos.
the Cube. The Porsche showroom inside SMC side. Sky Park. Outside, there's a Sky Park. Wow, oo nga. This is the best view of Seaside. We're having dinner at Capel Laguna. Scallop. Nilaga. Dining here in Capel Laguna sa Cebu. Fish. Dami dami naman prepare. Christmas at SM. Happy holiday from SM Cebu. Thank you, SM Seaside Cebu. Yes, may pa-stop pa. Happy holidays. So, bidang-bida tayo dito sa SM Seaside Cebu. And napaka-Christmas na ng ambience dito. And binigyan pa tayo ng stop toy. Then look, yung mga tao enjoying the Christmas decoration. So if you do come here in Cebu, make sure you visit the SMC site. So finally get a chance to go on top of the bridge. So we are on top of the CCLX bridge. So first time natin gagawin to. I'm very excited. So it's a very rare chance to be here. And with the assistance of the CCLX group, we are finally standing on the bridge that connects Cebu and Cordoba. So we're doing this rare chance to stand on top of the bridge of Cebu-Cordoba Link Expressway or CCLX. Bihira mangyari to thanks to the help of CCLX. Now we are able to be here. Diba? I'm so excited. Ooh, another one of those bucket list items na nagawa natin. Yes, ito tayo. Hello mga kasenyor. I just would like to summarize our day 5 of MPTC Lakbay Pinas. Again, as usual, it's another very hectic day. So it was an island hopping day because we were finally able to see the islands that you often pass by when you go from Cebu to Bohol. These are the island that belongs to the Olango group of islands, a marine protected area. So our first is the Napulusan Island. It's a marine sanctuary. So we were able to see so many, because it was low tide, so many starfish and many colorful fishes that when you look at the sea. So it was a very important diving area. It's actually one of the best diving areas here in Mactan. So people usually come to Napulusan to dive. Another island that we visited is Gilutungan Island, if that's correct. So it's another island that has very colorful coral gardens. So we stopped by there and we dock our boat, and many of our companions enjoy watching or feeding the colorful fishes. It was also the place where we had a very good lunch. Siyempre, it's a Cebuano lunch. Cebuano lunch will not be complete without seafood and, of course, lechon. I enjoyed the lechon and as well as the seafood very much. And then after that, we went back to our hotel, Solea, and we got a chance to tour the facilities of Solea. We were able to see its swimming pools, its beach area, its activity area. So if you plan to come to Mactan, Cebu, do visit Solea because they say that they guarantee that you'll be happy when you leave Solea because they have so many facilities. From Solea, we traveled to SMCTC side. But first, the exciting part, I was able to finally see the very famous Cebu-Cordoba Link Expressway or CCLX. So we passed by. It's about an 8-kilometer expressway that connects the city of Cebu with Cordoba. So according to the people of CCLX, it actually reduces travel time between the two places by at least 50%. And many people now conveniently uses this expressway to save time as well as to save on gas. Although the toll fees are only 90 pesos and 180 pesos. So it's very, very reasonably priced. So when we arrive at SMC side, we were toured around the facilities. Of course, no visit to the SMC side is complete without looking at the very huge cube installation. And then we will also able to see their Christmas displays and many others. Of course, we're very happy also to receive some staff toys from SMC side. After that, we had dinner at Cafe Laguna. So we had Laguna dishes in Cebu, but it's all very good. So we had after having a very full stomach, we finally returned to CCLX and got the chance to stop. I think we were the only people allowed to stop because we were escorted by the CCLX people. And I was finally able to take my selfie on top of the CCLX bridge. So thank you very much, Cecilia, for making one of my dreams come true. So after that, we returned to our hotel, rested a bit. So and I had a very good sleep. That's why I am now only able to do our outro the next day here in Solea. So with that, I hope you enjoyed our day 5 of our Lakbay Pinas tour. So do travel, do visit these places that we visited. And travel while you're ahead until our next vlog. See you soon. Thank you very much for watching. See you soon.